Welcome to cheapestflights24.com, where you can find the cheapest flights and airline tickets to get the best travel deals. From North America to Australia to Europe, Asia, and Africa, we'll find the best ticket prices for all of your travel needs. If you know exactly where you want to go and when, use the flight search tool to find the best ticket prices. Start by entering the origin city that you will be departing from and the destination city that you will be traveling to. Suggested airports will be populated. Next, add your departure and return dates. You can also select how many people will be traveling with you. Then click Search. Within just a few seconds, the best flight deals available will be at your fingertips. On the left-hand menu, you can filter by connecting airports, preferred airlines, and online travel agencies. The list will be updated accordingly. When you're ready to purchase, click the blue button and you'll be redirected to the airline or travel website to complete the booking. By navigating to the Cheap Flights page, you can see all of the cheap flights available to popular destinations. By navigating to the Airlines Tickets page, you can find cheap flights from a selection of cities with tickets on sale. Travel Tips gives valuable information for planning a trip to popular destinations, such as finding the best places to stay in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and advice on activities in the area. You can also see the cheapest flights going to that destination. On cheapestflights24.com, you are sure to find the best discount airline tickets that will save you time and money when booking your next trip.